Welcome to the Ampere Blade A71, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool, tap here and we should enter the name of the app, Ampere, also E. Last letter, so just that doesn't matter. Just wait a couple of seconds. Now just let's enter it. So now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install, and now we should wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on our device. So after that we should just click to open the app. Now let's tap to open it, click to yes I agree, tap to close, then we should click here to OK on the left down corner, and now we can see here information about battery temperature. That's 25 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.